Here monitoring, we have everything monitored from here. Even if the O2 pressure is high, O2 pressure is low, we can monitor here. If it is normal, it will be normal. If there is any alarm comes, then high, low alarm will come. Then we can go and check it in the area control unit. In devices, we can control the lights. Even our room lights also we can control it. You can switch off the lights, you can switch on the lights. And OT lights also from here we can control it. All the lights will be on.
Can you do it again? Yeah. So this is Polaris 600. Yeah. Okay. Go on. Yeah.
In this aircon, we can control the temperature and humidity. Whatever the set temperature is there, it will be delivered here. This is and the room temperature also we can control from it. And doors, it will open the door.
Yeah.
If you want to open it.
Yeah.
If you want to,
can you do it once? Open. Okay.
If you want to integrate the OT table, you can integrate this. Here it will become. OT table up and down, sliding, everything you can control it from here. And this is audio. The doctor wants to hear some music, they can hear it from here. Music player is there, inbuilt speakers are there. One speaker is there here, and one speaker is there. One speaker is there.
Yeah.
They can hear the speakers. And this is the time. We can see the time, and we can set the stopwatch also. Case anesthesia given time, case starting time, case ending time. We can everything we can select the time. Stop.
Great. Yeah.
Zero. An alarm also we can set if the cardiac cases are going on. If you want to set the bypass, set the patient to heart-lung machine, they can set the alarm and they can operate it. So this is all from this is from Integra, and this is our XRL view box. Complete LED. This is a complete LED. This is our wall clock. Wall clock, and this wall clock is integrated with this.
Yeah, the controls are there in the elbow screen. Yeah.
So this is our Mobita surgical pendant. You can see the green indication there.
Yeah.
The same green indication will be here.
Yeah.
And the blue will be there. If you want to move the green, you have to press the green and you can move it. Press the green and move it.
Yeah, 1 minute. I'll take it from. Can you do it once? Yeah. So while you press the green one moves. Yeah.
If you press the
blue one moves. Right.
And this is surgical pendant. From the surgical. And that is Mobita LS.
Motorized.
Strong.
Yeah.
Mobita LS, and the same like that. Here you can see green and blue.
Yeah.
The same here also. You want to maximum. If you want to move it, you can move the green. If you want to move the blue, you can move the blue. And the same way here, up and down buttons are there. You can take it up. You can take it down. And here also you can control it. Here also, this is our anesthesia machine.
This is our
Perseus.
And
this is anesthesia machine, and we can control the pendant from here. If you want to move it, you can move it. You can move it there. If you want to move the blue, you can move the blue.
Yeah.
Up and down also you can do it from here. So this is our anesthesia pendant. This is a Vapor 3000 with the sensor. Vapor 3000. You want me to on this also?
Yeah.
See, you can see the display here. There will be a short display will be here. This short display will be here. In that we can see time, battery life, battery, percentage, oxygen, air, nitrous, and we can select the auxiliary flow meter also from here. The patient, if the machine is not in on, you can use it from here. If you want to use it in Bain circuit, you can use, just turn the knob to Bain circuit, and with the help of this whatever the agent we are setting, with the help of that agent, the gas will come here. Here it will come. Here it will come.
Yeah.
So this is anesthesia machine. Start the machine. You can select the mode: new adult, new pediatric, and new neonatal. Neonatal. You can set the tidal volume of 20 units. You can set the age, weight, and height. If you set this, we can with the help of the Vapor 3000, we can monitor we can enable the prediction mode. At the same time, we can automatically based on this tidal volume, everything will be changed. I'm not taking any this was blocked, so that is the reason the alarm is coming. And here you can see this is completely gas monitored, gas monitoring system. This is completely gas monitoring. You can see the oxygen and air. I am setting the 100% oxygen and flow of 2 liters. So oxygen will be delivered, 2 liter oxygen will be delivered. If I select 50% of oxygen, remaining 50% will be taken care by air. 1 liter air and 1 liter oxygen will be taken care. So if you increase the flow, same like flow will be adjusted 50-50. So that is this is the gas monitoring, and here this is echnometer. This echnometer will see sufficient gas is going to the patient or not. This echnometer will make sure that sufficient gas is going or not. If this knob is here surplus, then the more gases, patient is taking more gases. So patient doesn't require that much gases. So we can reduce the flow so that it has to come to efficient. So if this knob is gone to deficient, then the patient is not
getting sufficient
not getting sufficient oxygen. So we can control, by seeing this we can control our gases. So this is prediction, our agent prediction. So now we are not using this, so this is not possible. And this is vaporizer. Whatever the vaporizer set here, you can see it here, and we can see the MAC value also. And a stopwatch. This is volume meter. This is volume meter. And this graphs, we can set the graphs. If you don't want to see the CO2, you can select the CO2. You can disable it, or you can see the flow graph. Or if you want to go for loops also, you can go. So loops also you can set it in this. loops.
Hmm.
Loops also you can set it in this. Volume loop and flow loop. If you want to change that, you can see this.
Hmm.
Change this also. And save and delete reference.
Hmm.
And alarms, you can control the alarms, alarm history, current alarms, all these.
Hmm.
The alarm history we can see this. And alarm settings, CO2 alarms, cardiac bypass.
Hmm.
Cardiac bypass mode. In this, there will be a cardiac bypass mode. Separately, it will be there.
Hmm.
See, this is 2 minutes timer. If you select this cardiac bypass 2 minutes time,
Hmm.
our everything will be paused.
Hmm.
Till the heart lung, at that time heart lung will be taken care.
Hmm.
After completing timing or before that, you can resume the ventilation
Hmm.
and it will go back to the ventilation mode.
Hmm.